click the notifications.
Share, like, and comment. Bye. Bye.
Hey, welcome back to the Bad Dog Garage. Working on the 1953 Allard K3. One of the things I want to do here, this is one of the inner wing side panels. There's one on each side that goes in when the car is finished. And I want to get these carpeted when the car is done. There's a bracket, however, that attaches right here that holds up the body when the car is all together. The problem with that being, nuts on the other side need to be accessed. The gas tanks actually sit on these little outriggers on either side. So once the gas tanks are in, you can't get to those nuts anymore. So in order to be able to remove this bracket, get it carpeted, and put the bracket back in, I'm going to have to weld some captive nuts on the other side so that these can be removed and reinstalled without having them carpeted over the bracket itself. So that's what we're going to do. Go over to the welder, weld some captive nuts on, and see how this works. Okay, so as you can see, I ran the bolts through the panel and put the lock nuts on to hold it in place so I can go ahead and spot weld these with my MIG welder right on here. The panels are 18 gauge steel, so I did a couple of tests on another piece of scrap 18 gauge I've got to get the settings just right. So I'll go ahead and weld these nuts in, and we should be set to go on one side and then just repeat for the other side. Okay, let's see how those held. Okay, you can see we got good penetration on the welds. So I'll go ahead and back these bolts out and make sure everything looks good, and repeat for the other side. All right, we got both sides done.
Thank you for joining us at the Bad Dog Garage. Remember to click the subscribe link at the bottom right-hand corner and click on the notifications so you'll always know when we have new videos.